Jogarts D. Hi po, Sir Juanlo Nicolo.
Hi, Jogarts! Kamusta? Nandito ka na sa Thailand. Sawadee krab.
Alright, so, ako, pasensya na kayo kung narinig nyo na yung mga bata, ano? Sa background, talagang may iingay yan. At ang interesting dito sa National Science Museum, they cover a lot of topics. Paleontology, mga dinosaurs yun.
Opo, yun naman tatatandang katulad mo.
Kung naman nakita mo. They talk about animatronics, about environment, about robotics, you name it. At sabi nga nung curator kahapon sa amin, they're making a new building and sisiguraduhin nila na idadagdag nila ang puppetry sa kanilang exhibit. And that's good news for all the puppeteers in the world. All our friends in UNIMA, Union International de la Marionette. That's good news here in Thailand. They will be adding a museum, an exhibit featuring puppetry forms, puppetry arts, puppets from all over the world. All right? And again, ang tema po ng World Puppet Festival dito this year, Harmony World Puppet Festival, ay fusion of science and the puppetry arts. And students are starting to arrive. There we go. Say hello.
Kat kun kat.
Pumunta ko ito, Nico, rin natatakot sa'yo eh.
Hindi, sa'yo takot eh.
Sa akin ba takot?
Opo. Di anak na nanas nakakatakot ka, no?
Alright. Okay, medyo papasyal ko kayo ng konti, ah. Pasyal ko kayo ng konti dito, kaya lang hindi kami pwedeng masyadong lumayo dahil baka mawala yung signal. Alam nyo na, pag lumalakad ka, yung signal nawawala eh. Alright? So we have more students going around. Andito kami ngayon sa Automata.
Ano yun?
Di bumuka bibig mo, para kang ventriloquist ha. Talo mo pa ako bumuka bibig ko eh. Napakalaki po nitong National Science Museum. It's a total of several buildings. Andito tayo sa Science Building. Meron silang IT building. Meron silang robotics building. All about science. And gaya ng sinabi ko sa inyo, what's good is they will soon be adding a puppetry, if not a building, at least a puppetry exhibit or a puppetry related museum. Yun naman po ang good news para sa ating mga puppeteers. Because they realize that puppetry can be used in science in a way na nakita kasi nila yung mga bata. Alam niyo, pag may hawak na puppet, pinakita natin sa kanila. Hindi lang namin, no? Hindi lang na mga puppeteers from the Philippines, but puppeteers from all over the world. We showed the National Science Museum that the imagination of the children is easily sparked by puppets. Pag may hawak na sila na puppet, umiikot na yung imagination nila eh.
Hi girl, sawadee krab. Sawadee krab.
Alright? When they see the puppets, kung ano na lang naiisip nila. And again,
Hi, hello, hi.
Nam, say hello, we're live. Say hello. This is Nam of Seventai Marionettes. There we go, we're live. And that is Miss Carol from the USA.
Welcome to Thailand.
There you go.
Can you go to Boston or Waterloo and Eureka?
Okay, we'll go there later. Okay.
Hi, Nam.
That was Nam. Nam is from Seventai Marionettes. And Miss Carol, Madame Carol, I should say, is from the USA. Unima, USA. Unima, USA. Unima is Union International de la Marionette.
Uy, French.
Yun lang ang alam ko na French maliban sa French fries, Nicolo. Okay, please post your comments. Post your comments and we will try to read your comments. Hindi ko lang kayo maikot ng malayo dahil napakalaking ikutan nitong National Science Museum. And not only that, baka mawala yung signal. Mawala yung live stream. Again, you met Nam. Nam is one of the people in charge of organizing the entire festival. Siyempre, nagkanya-kanya kaming pamasahe dito. Kaya we'd like to thank a few people while we're live for helping us to go here in Thailand. Siyempre, unang-unang National Commission for Culture and the Arts. Ang aking kapatid na si Dr. Lito Lunaria. Kuya Boy, salamat. Malaking tulong yung binigay mo sa amin. Pamasahe namin. Si Coach Chinky Tan. Of course, we cannot mention everyone sa sobrang dami po ng tumulong sa amin. Pero just to name a few, Coach Chinky Tan, Undersecretary Nina Taduran, Julius Babaw, Christine Babaw,
Hi!
Miss San, Dr. Renan Acosta, si Wizo, kumpare ko si Wizo Lim, at saka si kumparing Chino, kumparing Bing Madrideros of Party Station, and Ananta, Miss Ananta of Party Bits and Pieces. Kaya ayokong banggitin, Nicolo, kasi baka may makalimutan ako, magalit eh.
Isitin mo.
Iniisip ko nga eh, kung sino pa nakalimutan ko eh. Si Jojo Alehar, Sir Jojo A all the way, Lloyd Mara, Aliw Awardi, yan, mga tumulong sa amin para makarating kami sa Thailand. Dahil kung kami lang po, hindi namin kaya, wala kaming pamasahe. Eh, kanya-kanyang pamasahe punta dito. So, who else did I forget? Kung may nakalimutan po man ako, pagpasensyahan nyo na po, ano?
Ay, nako, hindi pwede yan. Isitin mo.
Isipin ko. So far, nabanggit ko naman lahat na. Basta po, lahat kayo na tumulong sa amin para kami makarating dito. Maraming salamat po sa tulong ninyo. Palagay ko wala na ako nakalimutan. Hindi, meron pa pala. Doktora Mildred Vitangcol of St. Peter. Ayan.
St. Peter? Tito Anlu? Iiwanan na ako?
Hindi naman, wag naman, masyado pang maaga. Loobin naman ng Diyos na umaba pa buhay natin. Hey, we have children, we have students from Thailand. Say Sawadee Krab! All right, students from all over Thailand. Andito sa National Science Museum.
Sawadee Krab! High five!
High five, come here. High five. There we go. All right.
Hello!
Oh, take a picture? You want to take a picture together?
Alright, hello!
Hi!
Hello, Sawadee Krab!